Today's video, guys. Let's start the day with the fries.
Coffee. Bessie, buksan mo yan. Kasi yung coffee ko.
Bessie, I am the vlogger. Bakit may
Oo
background?
nga pala. Sorry.
Okay. Again. Hi guys, for today we're going to start this one, the fries, because this is already the starter. So, huwag kayo maingay, nandyan ang bestie ko, nakikinig. So, we cannot start the day without coffee. So this is really the starter. So let's start. How is it? Go Bebesi. Bebesi. Ay, delicioso. Muy bien. Then, ano ba siya? So, sponsored by, again, Bebesi. So let's open it. Unboxing. Unboxing ito, guys. So let's try. Kung fresh talaga siya. Ay! Fresh kasi hindi makunat. Pwede siyang ganyan sa face. Char. So, let's get a try. How is it? So it's up to you if you will put this ketchup or not. So,
Masarap, Bessie.
ay, masarap siya.
Masarap siya.
First time ko kumain ng egg. First time ko ng omelette.
Tikman mo din yung clubhouse.
No need na because this one is for takeaway. Rather, takeaway. Bye-bye guys. Have a nice day.